The channel just getting started. Posh won't diminish video games and movies. Hurry up, come on, let's play to the finish. I'm the one, the only. Yes, you got it right. Boxing China. Thank you for joining me today, and also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. Today, I have faceplates for the PS5. Let's get started. Plastic faceplates, 2 red color, 红丝, that's red in Chinese, and then made in China, right there. Let's open these up. It's probably going to be a short video. Here's the first one. Let's take it out of the plastic. Black and red is my favorite colors. There's the first one. There's some styrofoam. And there's the second one. And I have this version of the PS5. And then you get a plastic faceplate manual, user manual, right there. And then first gently open the cover toward end the circle position. And then draw it out horizontally. So horizontally, yeah. How to remove the faceplate. There you go. Okay. So I'm guessing you pull it towards you. There's the white one. Then you take the red one. And then you pull it towards you, away from you, sorry. And then this one. Second one. Then you take this one. Hope I'm doing this right. Am I doing this right? I hope so. Okay. And okay. Oh, I got it right. And there. Red and black PS5. This away. Remember, always remember, don't sell yourself short in life. Take it to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.